disk landed, so we fired it up. Linked to the hotspot and we started to look. Pages and maps and the oh no how. A whole lot of answers in the here and now. You're right out the gate, it's a powerful thing. A knowledge art that the blackout can't sing. But the deeper truth that got my attention quick, it ain't just content, it's a platform to build. It's more than a library, more than a drive, more than a backup just waiting offline. It's a local world you can shape and grow. A digital outpost when the cold winds blow. From survival guides to the tools you pick, you can make it fit what your people need. Yeah, Outpost Underground sees the bigger picture in this. Prepper disk can be more than just prepper disk. Sure, it's got the value in the files it brings. Books and references, maps and things. Medical pages, repairing skill. The kind of stored up knowledge that matters still. But if you know your way around Linux's bash, you can push that box to really smash. Turn that archive into a family node, a local network for the off-grid road. Set up jellyfin, let the movies roll. Keep morale alive when the nights turn cold. Build a file server on the USB side. Hold your tools and apps where they safely hide. Make a local app store with your APK stash. Use for low software that still runs fast. Set up Calibre Web, make a bookshelf your own. A hand-picked digital library for the home. That's where this thing starts to really shine. Not just what ships, but what comes with time. A box like this can become the hub for education, comms, and the stuff you trust. It's more than a library, more than a drive, more than a backup just waiting offline. It's a local world you can shape and grow. A digital outpost when the cold winds blow. From survival guides to the tools you pick, you can make it fit what your people need. Yeah, Outpost Underground sees the bigger picture in this. Prepper disk can be more than just prepper disk. Calibre loaded with lessons to teach for the kids at home when the web can't reach. Nextcloud holding the files that matter. Family backup safe from the digital scatter. Shorecasting it through the local air. A homemade station with a signal to share. Calm in the chaos, information flow. A little offline town in a box of your own. This ain't just prepper candy, a gimmick on a shelf. It can become a real world tool that multiplies itself. Knowledge, media, storage, school, reference radio to the real strength of a system like this is what you choose to make it do. It's more than a library, more than a drive, more than a backup just waiting offline. It's a local world you can shape and grow. A digital outpost when the cold winds blow. From books to maps to a server stack, it gives you a base you can build right on back. Yeah, Outpost Underground's gotta call it like it is. A knowledge arc that can become your grid. So credit where it's due. This thing's got weight, not just for what it is, but what it creates. And that's the part that really sticks. Prepper disk is a start, not a limit.